Hello my dear scholars, this is Rajdeep Sharma, your mathematics educator. So scholars, now we are going to start exercise 5.5 and this exercise is completely based on the perpendicular lines. So let's see what is the definition of perpendicular line. When two lines intersect and the angle between them is a right angle, then it is said to be perpendicular. That means in short, how you can write the definition: if two lines intersect at 90 degree, then they are called perpendicular. So as shown in the figure here, MN is the perpendicular bisector of AB, okay, as it is making a 90 degree. So now scholars, let's start exercise 5.5 question number 1. Now question number 1 is very easy. Just read the question. Which of the following are the models for perpendicular lines? Okay, so you have to identify from A, B, C and D which are the perpendicular lines. So the first one is the adjacent edges of a table top. Okay, so let's see. This is the table and this is the top of the table and these are the adjacent edges and it is making a right angle, that is a 90 degree. So whenever two things make a right angle, they are perpendicular. So yes, it is a perpendicular. Now for the B part, the lines of railway track. So you might have seen the railway track when you are traveling somewhere. See, these are the railway tracks. So what do you think? Are they making a right angle? No. In fact, they are parallel. So you will write no, it's not perpendicular. Okay. Now let's solve for the C part, the line segment forming the letter L. Okay, so here is the letter L and you can see clearly it is making a 90 degree, that is a right angle. So yes, it is a perpendicular. Okay, now let's solve for the D part, the letter V. Okay, so here is the letter V and can you say that this one is the 90 degree? No, it's not a 90 degree. So no, it's not perpendicular. Okay. So this was question number 1. So scholars, now let's read question number 2 from the exercise 5.5. Let PQ be the perpendicular of a line segment XY. Let PQ and XY intersect in a point A. What is the measure of angle PAY? Okay, now let's draw a line and name it as X and Y. Now here it is written that PQ is the perpendicular of line segment XY. So we have drawn the line segment XY. Now perpendicular means what? Yes, that is making a 90 degree. So let's draw a line and name it as P and Q. Okay. Now it is written in the question, let PQ and XY intersect at point A. So this is the intersecting point and this point is denoted by A. So this point is A. Now in the question they are asking what is the measure of PAY. PAY. So as you can clearly see into the figure, angle PAY is making a 90 degree. From the figure it is clear that the measure of angle PAY is 90 degree. So this was question number 2. So scholars, now let's see question number 3 from the exercise 5.5. This is the easiest question. So what is written in the question? There are two set squares in your box, that is a geometry box. What are the measure of the angles that are formed from their corners? Do they have any angle measure that is a common? Okay, so as you can see into the diagram, now you might have two sets into your geometry box. So this is the set 1 and this is the set 2. So scholars, always remember this type of set has an angle of 90 degree, 45 and 45. Okay, this is 90, this is 45 and this is 45. Now for the second one, the angles are 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So in the question they are asking, do they have any angle measure that is a common? This is 45, 45, 90. This is 30, 60, 90. So you can clearly see that the 90 degree is common between them. Here it is making a 90 degree and here it is making a 90 degree. So at the end you will write yes, the measure of angle 90 degree is common between them. Okay. So this was a very easy question. So scholars, now question number 4 from the exercise 5.5 is very important, and at the same time it is very easy. So I want everyone to put the star on this question, and I will cover this question in our Zoom class. Okay, so till that time do practice all the questions very carefully from the exercise 5.5, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.